the snow angel?
We just need to sleep on the snow, then we can move our arms on the snow.
Okay.
Sleep?
Even you should sleep.
Okay, Hello. Light!
No!
Go and jump over there. Go fast.
Light! And light! Light!
Light!
No, wave Jay. Clap, clap.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you. Hey, don't! We're gonna make snow angels like us.
Okay, come on. Now sleep on the snow.
Snow angel Santa. Okay, wave your hands. Wave your hands. Now Gaurav and Akka are making snow angels.
Yeah.
Did you make them snow angels? Did you get it? Did you get it? Try again.
Nothing.
Try again.
Okay, it's okay.
We can make a snowman instead of a.
Can you look at me, both of you?
Okay.
There we are.
Okay. You make the snow one, and I'll get the rest of the snow.
No, not that one. In all the snow which is here.
Why?
So that we can place it there.
But I must just stay there. Ah! Good idea. We can
Go.
play on this. I'll take some snow over here. Now, could you help me? No.
Oh.
Let's go!
Hey! No, not me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Okay? Did it bend down? Did it bend down? I'll not do anything.
Yeah, even you bend down. 1, 2, 3.
This is really good. I'll upload this on YouTube. Come on, come on, go! Come on, do it!
On video तो बताए.
Told it.
Did it bend down?
Oh wait, let me put this. No.
No,
Just a second.
Jump! Jump! Light
Please
jump!
come.
Jump nicely. Come on, give a big clap. Yes.
I'll get them from the trampoline.